Hello everyone, welcome to Lanret Academy. In this tutorial I will be going deeper into Microsoft Excel, the use of Microsoft Excel. So today we'll be looking at how to use the copy, the cut and the paste under the clipboard command group. So I have a set of data here. Now to apply the copy, you have to highlight your text. If you want to copy a cell, you highlight the cell and copy. You click into the next position where you want to paste and you click on the paste icon or Ctrl V. If you want to copy an entire maybe group of cells, you click on copy and then you just go to where you want it pasted and you click on paste. So that is how to copy and paste in this environment. The difference between copy and cut is that copy will produce a duplicate of what you have copied, while cut will remove what you have copied from its position and put it somewhere else. Now let's take, for instance, let's use this as an example. I click on cut, I click on the new position where I want to paste it. If I click on paste, it removes it from the column C and drops it or moves it to column K. So that's the difference between the copy and the cut. In the next video I'll be showing you the different types of way we can copy a data set in this environment. Thank you.